Once you've ordered your Scout GPS tracker from pjparts.com, it's time to install it on your trailer. Scout's versatile design gives you choices when it comes to installation. First, you can splice your Scout directly into your wiring junction box using the first and fourth studs with the included hardwiring kit. This option may only be compatible with certain junction box models, so please make sure that you've got plenty of inside clearance. Alternatively, you can use the included micro USB cable and a Velcro strip to simply place the Scout adjacent to the junction box. If your trailer does not have a physical junction box, you can splice your Scout into your wiring harness with the included hardwiring kit. Removing one of your taillights will give you access to a discrete location with easy access to power and protection from the elements. Alternatively, you can deploy your Scout tracker without doing any sort of wiring at all. Simply place it in a secure location using the included Velcro strip. The expected battery life of the Scout is around a day, meaning that with no charging cable connected, the Scout tracker will need to be charged daily by removing the unit from the trailer and charging it with the included micro USB charger. For more information on Scout GPS trackers and how they can help you keep tabs on your equipment, visit findmyscout.com or pjparts.com. Thanks, guys.